Hi everyone, this is short form of my longer video describing collision damage prevention systems for trains and cars. Uh, this video tells what you are likely to find in the longer version of the video. So this is a car without any collision damage prevention system. This is a car uh, with collision damage prevention system deployed. Uh, this is the car with collision damage prevention system that is deployed uh, in the side of the vehicle. This is collision damage prevention system for the trains. So this is the original train, the head coach without any collision damage prevention system. This is collision damage prevention system that is deployed under the train, in front of the train, or it could be in the front of the train as well. This is activated collision damage prevention system uh, where the object gets trapped in between these two vertical lines when it is about to collide. This is collision damage prevention system for cars. This is the without this is when it is initially deployed. This is extended collision damage prevention system. This is a collision damage prevention system for cars when with additional side bars in the front and back. This diagram is not there in the longer version of the video.